Now I'm not walking barefoot no more.
Oh yeah. Hey, show the short. Let me see them shorts you got on, Z. See them Z shorts, man. Them Z shorts, man. Call them shit Z shorts, nigga. Them bitches Glee said Z.
Yeah, man.
Them boys, my nigga Icon right now, man. Port-au-Prince, man. You all know the fuck going on, man. Haitian Jew, but nigga big Haitian Flea. You all know, man. Rio Grande Stepper. You feel me? The boy. What they? Hey, hold on. What he doing, Z? Man, hold on. See, hold on. So hold on. Wait. See, this is shit. These fucking.
Nobody helping them but the ghost with him. That's how we get now. You know, in the United States, it's gonna take like 3, 4 people. You doing it by himself.
Yeah, but how did he cut that tree down? With what?
You want this machete?
Zoe, show the people. Zoe, hey, Zoe, go close up on the man. Show the people how he looks. Show the people his strength. Show the people how like he ain't no big ass nigga. Look.
You know what he told me? He said he hungry. He needed a little money to eat. I told him wait. In a minute, I got him.
Right, we got you, Z. Throw them win. I got you. Tell him we got him. Zoe, tell him. Zoe, but listen, Zoe, hey, listen.
This $50 I just gave.
Love, bro. That's a real nigga, man. Real, hey, y'all just seen that on live, man. On my motherfucking live, man. Hey, listen, Z, I'm finna send you that. I'm finna cash up you.
Let's go.
Wait. Hey, Zoe, before you go, wait. Show the way he cut down. I want to see the laws he cut. It's to the left.
All these. This tree was big as fuck.
Look at that shit he cut with a machete, nigga. He cut that shit with a machete, nigga.
Stay with them, bro, if you want, especially when they do it in their city. Your ass gonna die. Your mama gonna die. Everybody gonna die.
That's what I'm talking about, nigga.
We don't get shit. We laugh.